Today's video is on the top 3 best tennis ball machines. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, portable tennis ball machine. Looking for a tennis ball machine that offers both portability and power? The NPL N1 is exactly what you need. This machine is built to last, designed to withstand constant use on the court. Weighing in at just 26 pounds, it's light enough to carry and compact enough to store without taking up much space. It's about the same size as a basketball, making it easy to handle and perfect for anyone who wants to take their training to the next level without a bulky, heavy machine getting in the way. Transporting the NPL N1 is incredibly easy, whether you're heading to the court or simply storing it away. Thanks to its oversized wheels and 3-foot ergonomic folding handle, you can roll it over grass, gravel, or even curbs with minimal effort. This design ensures that no matter the terrain, you'll have no trouble moving the machine. It's a major plus for anyone who doesn't want to struggle with hauling their equipment, especially after a long practice session. But convenience isn't the only thing the NPL N1 offers. It's packed with features that make it a standout in its class. This tennis ball machine gives you a variety of options to enhance your practice. With manual oscillation, you have full control over where the balls are going, and its ball speeds can reach up to 68 miles per hour, giving you a realistic, high-speed practice session. The machine's adjustable elevation can be set anywhere between 0 to 50 degrees, offering you the flexibility to work on different types of shots, whether you're practicing ground strokes or volleys. What really sets this machine apart is the external lithium battery. It's small and lightweight, so it doesn't add unnecessary bulk to the machine. It's easy to charge, and one full charge gives you over 4 hours of operation, so you can enjoy a lengthy practice session without worrying about the battery running out. Powered by a dual motor, this machine delivers balls consistently to everyone for 9 seconds, shooting them across the court. It's perfect for players of any level, with modes that let you practice flat, topspin, and backspin shots. Whether you're just starting or you're an experienced player, you'll find it's great for improving your game. The NPL N1 also gives you unmatched spin control for a machine at this price. You can adjust both topspin and backspin levels, allowing you to customize your training experience even further. It's a perfect addition for anyone serious about improving their tennis skills. Smash that subscribe button harder than a fastball machine. Number 2, best overall, Spinshot Pro tennis ball machine. If you're on the hunt for a tennis ball machine that's different from the rest, look no further. This one stands out because it's the only tennis ball machine that isn't made of plastic. Think about it. Plastic machines can wear down quickly, especially with all the bouncing balls and outdoor conditions. This machine is built with durability in mind, so it'll stand the test of time. It's tough, reliable, and ready to take your tennis game to the next level without breaking down after a few sessions. Ease of use is another feature that makes this tennis ball machine an absolute game changer. It's equipped with a simple knob control system that makes adjusting settings quick and easy. There's no need to dig through complicated manuals or get frustrated with confusing buttons. Just a simple twist of the knob and you can adjust things like ball speed, frequency, and trajectory. Whether you're an experienced player looking for a serious workout or a beginner trying to get the hang of the game, this machine is designed to cater to all skill levels. And the best part, it's so simple that even kids can use it without any problems. Gone are the days of needing a tennis coach to help set up the machine. This one is all about convenience. Another awesome feature is the flexibility in power options. You have the freedom to choose the best power source that fits your situation. Whether you're training at home, at the park, or on the court, you can power up the machine wherever you need it. The flexibility ensures you won't be tied to a wall socket. You can play, practice, and perfect your game on your terms. This makes it perfect for players who want to use the machine on the go or in different environments. However, there's a small thing to keep in mind. While the battery charger is included in the box, the actual battery isn't. It'll be shipped separately, so don't be surprised when the box arrives without the battery inside. It's an easy fix though. Just order the battery separately and you'll be up and running in no time. With all these features, this tennis ball machine offers the best combination of durability, ease of use, and flexibility. It's built to last, simple to operate, and adaptable to different environments. Plus, it offers great value for anyone serious about improving their tennis game. Don't miss out on this must-have training tool. Your future matches will thank you. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Elite Tennis Ball Machine. Imagine being able to customize every aspect of your practice session with just a few adjustments. The Elite 1 tennis machine makes it all possible by offering adjustable ball speeds that range from 10 to 80 miles per hour. This feature allows you to simulate a variety of game situations, from soft volleys to intense, high-speed ground strokes. Whether you're looking for a warm-up session or testing your skills under pressure, you can fine-tune the ball speed to suit your needs. But it doesn't stop there. The machine also gives you the ability to add heavy topspin or backspin to your shots, helping you practice those tricky spins you need to succeed in competitive matches. This level of control means you can work on every aspect of your game, ensuring that when you step onto the court, you're ready for anything. But what about the unpredictability of real game situations? With the Elite One's horizontal oscillation feature, you can simulate a variety of court positions so you're never caught off guard. Whether the ball is coming to your left, right, or straight down the middle, this machine ensures that you're practicing your forehand and backhand strokes from every angle. The oscillation can be set to random, making sure you don't get used to any predictable patterns. Want to make things even more competitive? Bring a friend and use the machine for team gameplay, practicing together as you each work on your side of the court. It's an excellent way to hone your skills while having fun, and the added randomness keeps the challenge exciting. Need to work on those overhead smashes or high arc baseline returns? The Elite One has you covered with electronic elevation control. You can adjust the machine to deliver lobs with low, medium, or high arcs up to 60 degrees. Whether you're targeting pinpoint net play or perfecting your aerial shots, this feature takes your training to new heights. Portability? It's a breeze. Weighing just 42 pounds, this tennis machine is lightweight and easy to transport. With its inverting hopper and folding handle, you can easily load it into any small car or SUV. Plus, the 8-inch all-terrain wheels glide smoothly over any surface, so you can take it from your driveway to the court without a hitch. And don't worry about running out of power mid-session. The Elite One comes with a rechargeable battery that offers 4 to 6 hours of gameplay on a single charge. It even includes a standard battery charger, so you'll be ready for your next match in no time. And for those of you looking for great tennis balls in bulk, we've got you covered. Check out the link below for some awesome deals. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research, so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below, or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.